Hello parents and kids. Let's learn Hindi swar through a game. Through this game, the child will able to recognize the Hindi swar very easily. He will be able to do the sequencing from A se Aha tak, and he will be able to do the picture reading related to the swar. For the game preparation, you will need the following things: glue, scale, scissor, old visiting cards like this. And if you don't have visiting card, you can use the playing cards, and I have provided a link in my video through which you can download the swar, the plain ones from A se Aha tak like this, and with the picture one like this. After downloading, taking a printout, you will cut according to the size of the visiting card, and with the help of the glue, stick it on the cards like this. Once you prepare the whole set, you can give to the child for coloring. It will be an activity for him. And after the preparation, you will get the set like this. The plain ones like this, and with the picture ones like this. So this set will be used for the recognition part. You can make the child learn A, A, E, U, Re, A, I, O, Ang, Aha. Once the child is able to recognize a little bit, you can place them upside down or in a jumbled up manner and tell the child to make the sequence. So we will say, take out A, then the child will find A and place it. After you say what will come after A, the child will say A, then pick up A, and in this way we can make the child do the sequencing part very easily. So this will be used for the recognition part and sequencing. With this pack, start the game like this. Place all the cards upside down. Suppose I am the child and the other player is the parent. So now let's play it. Once you open any card, just say aloud, say anar. Now the turn of the parent.
A se Erawat,
U se ullu,
A se Am,
U se upahar. So U and U are matching. It's my point. U se ullu, U se upahar. It will be again my chance because I have gained. U se oont,
A se Anak, A se Anak, A se Erawat, O se Aurat,
E se eek,
A se Alu, A se Am, O se Aushadi, O se Aushadi, O se Aurat, Ang se Anda,
Ang se angur, Ang se anda. Aha,
O se Odni,
A se ek,
O se Oakli, O se Odni,
A se edi, A se ek. E se imli,
Ri se Ritu,
E se eek, E se eat. U se oot, U se oon. A se ajgar, A se ajgar, A se anar. Aha, aha. Ri se rishi, Ri se ritu. E se Indian, E se imli. So, as I am the child, I have won the game. See. So, you have to make the child win the game to keep his enthusiasm intact. With the help of these cards, we did the sequencing, recognition and the picture reading. Now, you can use your imagination and make the child learn in any form with these cards. If you have liked my channel, show your love, like, subscribe and share the video with your friends and relatives. If you want specific topic to be covered, you are welcome to comment so that I can make something interesting for you. Thanks for watching.